Hello and welcome to this video where I will be showing you how to make more than 5 gluten-free, vegan-friendly and healthy breakfast ideas. So the first idea is bread with almond butter and banana. It is pretty self-explanatory. You spread some almond butter on your bread. Although you can add any type of spread like peanut butter or organic Nutella. And then just add whatever toppings you want. I added some banana, but you can put any type of fruit that you like. Then drizzle some syrup and a little bit of cinnamon and enjoy! The second breakfast recipe are these gluten-free crepes. So in a large bowl, add 1 cup of gluten-free flour. I like using rice flour, but you can use any other gluten-free flour substitute. Add around 3 tablespoons of raw sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk. I used water because it works almost the same. And you can also add some coconut oil, some olive oil or butter, but that is completely optional. Another optional ingredient is gum. You can use xanthan gum or any other substitute, depending on the flour that you use. And then the consistency will change a lot, so use more milk or flour if you feel that the batter needs it. So cook in a pan, and now let's make some homemade organic vegan Nutella. I have the full recipe in my channel, but you basically roast your hazelnuts and mix in a blender with some vegetable milk, some raw sugar and cacao. And once your crepes are ready, prepare your toppings. Spread some butter and a little bit of local honey. Add some cinnamon if you want, and put your toppings. I chose banana for this one. Then you want to drizzle some more honey and decorate with your homemade organic Nutella. For the second crepe, I will spread some homemade Nutella and then add some raspberries, but you can also use blueberries or strawberries, and then decorate with some more Nutella and enjoy! Our next recipe will be a carrot cake, and the first step is to grate 3 or 4 medium carrots. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of gluten-free flour and 1 cup of gluten-free oats. I used a mix that also has seeds, but you can use just regular oats. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 cup of raw unrefined sugar. Then add your carrots, 1 cup of olive oil, a little bit of butter, some cinnamon, and a little bit of lemon. You can also use some orange instead of lemon. I also used some cacao nibs, a little bit of ginger, and around a cup of milk or water. And then you mix the whole thing. You can add a little bit more of cacao nibs if you feel like it. And then put a little bit of olive oil on your parchment paper and pour the mix and sprinkle it with a few cacao nibs just for decoration. Bake at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes and let cool a little bit and enjoy your carrot cake. So our next recipe is porridge with fruit. In a saucepan, put 1 cup of milk with some vanilla bean. If you don't have vanilla bean, you can also use vanilla extract. And for the milk, I used rice milk. Once it's boiling, add 1 cup of oats. I am using a mix that also has seeds, but you can use any type of oats. And while that is cooking, prepare your toppings. Boil for 5 to 10 minutes and put in a bowl. Add your fruit. I chose some berries and kiwi, but you can use any type of fruit. And decorate however you want. Add a little bit of peanut butter. You can also add some honey, some cacao nibs, or any other topping that you want. And enjoy! And for our last recipe, add around 2 cups of oats in a bowl, around 3 tablespoons of agave syrup, some cinnamon, a few pecans, a little bit of coconut oil, and mix. Taste it and see what it's missing and add whatever you feel like it's missing, and then mix again and put in a silicone sheet and put in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.